Izzy, what's this one?
No, no.
What's it called? Elephant?
Elephant.
Yeah.
Mimi elephant.
Mimi the elephant from the zoo. What else do you have there? What's this one? What's this?
Elephant.
No, what's this one?
Oh, no.
What is it?
I did it.
Alligator?
Table.
What's the other one?
No.
What's this one?
No, no.
What is it?
No.
What is that one?
No.
What's his name?
Tati Taco.
Crocodile?
Yeah.
Can you say crocodile?
Tati Taco.
Can you say alligator?
I did it.
Yeah, alligator. Crocodile and alligator. Very good.